So we moved this the other day. Oh, by the way, good afternoon. We moved this the other day, and I'll show you what's happened over here. So they're all rotten. We put feet on them thinking that would do the job, but it didn't. How can I show you? There, look. Absolutely rotten as a pear. And we thought we could sort of make do, but they're just not worth it. Of course, the table's getting lopsided, so we're going to bite the bullet, and we're going to cut up some timber we got. We'll mark this old shuttering that my lad had, do some concreting, do the job, and we're going to cut it up and put new legs on that little beast. So I've got a new saw. I'm not going to do this for you, and watch me do this, because it's going to take me forever to get through these once I get started. Anyway, there we go. Oh, good saw, good saw. Right, so I've got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 of these to cut. So I'll crack on with these, and then I'm going to show you what I'm using to screw them to the actual table. I'm going to use these, they Torx screws. They are brilliant. So back in a bit. So £6 saw from Screwfix. No joking, 30 seconds. I'm not joking, 30 seconds, if that. Right, that's 2 done. Told you. Sharp. So these are some of the ones we got out that came out already, originals. These are the Torx that I'm using. That's what you mean by a Torx, and you get this bit that comes with it. So it's these, and you get that, and it's, you tell you what, in and out they do not slip. It's an amazing bit of kit. Love them. I'm going to use most of the old ones to put back in again as well, because, well, yeah, because they're expensive. We've made the legs 2 inches longer than what they were originally, because it was a little bit, it was alright, wasn't it? But it wasn't a little bit low. So I've made them 2 inches longer, because that way when we cut the shuttering down, there was only one piece of waste, and that was it, out of that big piece. So we've cut back on waste. So we cut them in half, it's 2 inches longer, that's fine. Right, let's start assembling. So I'm going to use the standard screws that came out of it the first time round. I'm going to try and do this without... I might have to put this down, hold on. Can you see that? That's what we're going to do first, and then we're going to do all of them like that, and then I'm going to use the big Torx ones to go through here. Okay. So where the original paint was, they're probably going to fall off, never mind that, but anyway. That's a bit twisty. I'll line them up so they're perfect in the way we got them off. There we go. So I'm going to start putting them in. I'll put that one in, 2 in the bottom of that one, using the original screws. So I'll just go around doing the rest now. Where's me screws? There we go, and me drill. Whoop. Okay. So this is the torque head, and this is the torque screw. Now what I'm doing, I've got to guess this. You can see, because there's no, I'm not going to, anyway. So I'm just going to hold it tight, like so, and then, oh look at that. These, and they've also got a, if I can show you, if you can see the end of this, if I can get it on camera. Can you see? It's got a drill in the end. So I can get it in my hand. And you probably can't see that. Hold on. Bear with me. There. See that right at the very end? That's your cutting, that's the drill. That's what makes it so easy to use. Okay, so they're all secure underneath. Put 2 Torx in each one at the side. Just guess that. It's pretty straightforward. Just use your eye. Your eye. But if you've got 2 eyes, use both of them. So 2 in each. Now I'm going to flip the table over. I'm going to go through the seat underneath and then in that way to make them really, because they weren't very secure when we bought this. It was second hand, so we just made it a bit stronger. Yeah, and there we go. All the legs on. I'm just letting it dry. Shouldn't take long. It's this, what is it, Fence Life Plus 5-year guarantee. I'm not too keen on it, but Ron Seal supposed to be very good, and it's stone, is it? Warm stone. Looks right. Painted the top brown. Looks like a mushroom when you turn it upside down. And there you go. So I'm going to flip it over in a bit, and then we'll put some screws through the top, into the top of the legs, through the seats, just to make sure it's ultra tough. I'm not too sure what to do about the feet. I was thinking to get some little metal feet. I'm sure you can get something, or plastic, just to protect the wood. We will see. There we go. Finished. Just going to let it dry a bit more, and then probably put it in the sun. And that's what it looks like. New legs, quite easy to do. Actually, very easy to do. And it's a lovely table. It's great for sitting around and have a bit of a breakfast on, or family. So if you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. And we'll catch you in the next one.